Alright, in this video, this is just a little demo of how you build a template you found on our website in the Proposal Pack Wizard software once you bought it. So, a lot of people come into the website through searching for a specific kind of template, and we have over 700 at the time of this filming. So, if you had searched for an accounting and payroll services proposal or a technical proposal, healthcare, medical, construction, security, vending, whatever you searched for that you came in on. So we'll just go back to the accounting and payroll services proposal. And, some of the templates you can purchase as a single static template. We're going to demonstrate when you purchase an entire proposal pack, because that gives you the most flexibility. Plus, with any one $79 proposal pack, you can actually build all 700 of those templates yourself. A lot better deal than just buying a single $19 template. But a common question is, once someone has bought the proposal pack and then they've got it installed, is how do I build that template that I came in on your website on? Well, just remember the title, okay, Accounting and Payroll Services Proposal, or whatever one of the hundreds of proposals you came in on. Just remember the title of the proposal that you came in on. If you scroll down, some of the templates will show a specific design theme. So the accounting proposal template is illustrated using the accounting number one design theme. Some of the other templates will be illustrated using the plain text package or a different design theme based on whatever that proposal is. So a security template might be illustrated with a security design theme. A vending proposal might be illustrated with a vending design theme. Okay, so every one of these pages on the website that you would come in on shows the list of chapters for that template. And just remember the title. So now that you've got the software installed, this is the Proposal Pack Wizard home screen. And in this case, say you purchased this accounting number one design theme. That design theme will be set as your default style. So whichever one design theme you purchase, that's the one that's going to be set up in the wizard. So what you do is you just click the Document Projects button, click Add New Project, click the Pick Documents button, and just go over to this Quick Start tab, and every one of those templates that's on the website is in this drop-down list sorted alphabetically. So I can just scroll down and see Accounting and Payroll Services Proposal. So if you're actually looking at our website, you see the same list of 700 template layouts, whatever you searched on that you came in on the website on, you see it is listed right here within the software, okay? So you just click the Accounting and Payroll Services Proposal in this case. Say you'd come in for vending. You just scroll down to the V's, and here's the vending machine placement proposal. I could just click the search import button and do a search on the word vending. That's going to find it in the list, and so on. So you just find the template that you were interested in this quick start list. In this case, it was the accounting and payroll. I import the topics from the list. So this one has pre-written sample content. So I'm going to click yes. Now about 200 of these layouts actually have fully written text, sample text. So you can import that sample text, and that's how you build our samples in the wizard as well. Other layouts are just the list of chapters, and you'll get the fill in the blank templates. Now, this one also has a quote database. So that allows you to use the wizard's line item database for filling in the fee structure. All right, so you see the table of contents here, the list of chapters. Now, if you're on our website, you'll see where it tells you that this accounting payroll services proposal uses these 13 chapters, this list of chapters. Well, that's exactly what just got imported into your project. Now I can go over and use the add templates. I can use the search by name. I can add more pages into my layout. I can remove some chapters if I want to trim this down. I can change the ordering of these chapters and so on. So I can make all sorts of customizations. I can create countless variations of any one of these hundreds and hundreds of pre-made layouts. So you have a wide range of flexibility here. So once you're done adjusting your chapter lists, click the OK Use Selected Templates. We can go and fill in our company data, client data, set up the line item database for our fees, let it calculate all the subtotals, totals, and everything. When you're all done setting up these things, just click OK, Save Project, and the wizard builds you that template as a fully editable Word document ready to finish. All right, document's been generated. Let's take a look at it. All right, so you can see it starts with our front title page, table of contents, has all the sample text pulled in. Now the fee structure, if you had filled in the line item database with all your quantities, amounts, descriptions, it would calculate out the entire fee structure for you along with subtotals, taxes, grand totals, and everything. And that is how you build any of these templates that you found on the website using the actual software once you've got it installed. I'll just do one more example here. So let's say you were a vending company and you'd come in and got one of the vending design themes for a vending proposal. So the vending number 2 is popular for that. So I have all 500 design themes installed here, obviously, for demonstration purposes. So whichever one you purchased, or if you got the Pro Kit, you'll have 5 design themes to pick from. That will be your visual look. All right, so say you had searched for a vending machine placement proposal, and this is how you came in on the website, and you'd purchased this vending number 2. Well, how do I build that template I found on the website, vending machine placement proposal? All right, so just like before, doesn't matter the industry, the type of proposal, it's the same every time. Add new project, go to Pick Documents, Quick Start, and you can scroll down this list to vending or use the search, and I'm just going to search for the word vending. And do searches on partial words or short words, just a single word. And, okay, it found 3 templates that have the word vending in them. I wanted the vending machine placement proposal. That was this one, say you came in on the website on. Import the topics from the list. This one also has some sample content. Say yes. I've got the list of chapters right here. Click OK, click OK, click OK. Now again, use the line item quote database if you wanted to generate your quote line items. Company and data, client data screens to fill in name and contact information. I just skipped over those for now. But now we're building a document. All right, document's been generated. Let's take a look at this one. All right, so here's our vending proposal. We can see the table of contents has this list of chapters here. We scroll down, we have the sample content. And that's all there is to it. So it doesn't matter which one of the 700 or so templates you found on our website, you just select that from the Quick Start list in the Wizard software, import the list, build the document in whatever design theme you purchased. Now, we do have other ways of importing some lists. So there are some lists on our website. There's another video for that are not curated into the Wizard software yet. So if you would come in on one of those pages, there's another video that describes how to import the list of chapters right from the website into the Wizard. And there's also other videos on how to use ChatGPT to create a outline of chapters for you and then import that into the Wizard. So there's lots of different ways to generate a document out of the Wizard, from curated lists, AI generated lists, sample lists, and so on. So that is how you create templates in the Wizard software from whatever you found on our website. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.